So we are now at Lepcha Jagat. The view was very nice, very nice. So this is our hotel where we stayed at Darjeeling. This is Snowland. As you can see, it is quite organized. This hotel cost us around 2000. So this is the room. It is quite messy right now. The hotel name is Snowland, and it's quite a good room in this budget at this peak time. So that's it. Now after this, we are going for the Darjeeling Mall for some snacks. So good morning guys, now we are at Peace Pagoda. It is just near Darjeeling Mall, and from here we can easily see Kanchenjunga, and it is very bright. Let me show you. It was a one-night stay at Darjeeling, and now we are on the way to Mirik. The upcoming left lane will take you to Peace Pagoda, and we are taking the right as it connects Khum station. We have already booked our hotel over there, so there is no hurry. I have tried to put a cinematic shot in this video. Hope you will like it.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पल कर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं, मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे, मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
So we are now at Lepcha Jagat. The view was very nice, and the weather was quite pleasant. तो सुनो क्या मन लगता है?
We are having a chilling time. It's the best moment of our life.
एक तो लाग जी हाथे बैठा। So basically, Lepcha Jagat is a forest covered with rhododendrons and pine trees, and the view is something next level. Generally, it looks more heavenly during the cloudy weather, but unfortunately, we didn't get it. Anyways, the road and the roadside views is mesmerizing. I don't know how much can you relate with this video, but it's something toasts to my eyes. The weather is refreshing and I am literally enjoying this trail and I don't want an end to it. At this point, every corner is a surprise for me, and the beautiful tea estates beside the slopes of the mountain, and you are making your own way through it with your bike is inexplicable. Trust me, it totally worth it. And if you guys have watched my video till here, then please do like this video and share with your friends and family, and do comment down below. As I said that we have already booked our stay at Mirik, so we are taking it very easy. We are stopping at beautiful locations, cherishing our ride, and I think that that's the best part of the ride. So, this is going to be the last part of my Darjeeling trip as time is limited, and tomorrow we will be wrapping up from Mirik towards Kolkata. So, see you somewhere on the earth until next journey hits in. So, take care, be safe, and please don't forget to subscribe.